everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you quilling project of on the topic sunset on the beach waves. So on that I will do painting also and quilling also. So let's get started. It's a project. So let's start. So first for that you will be needing an A4 size sheet of any color. Here I am taking white color A4 size sheets because it will work much better. And the next thing is sketch pens, white acrylic color and some watercolors and palette, any size you can take, and brushes. In this I keep my brushes and scale. You can take any bigger also and smaller also, and a pencil and letter pad also. You can skip this letter pad if you don't want. So these much things we all are needing. Now you can see I have taken this letter pad, and on that I have kept this A4 size sheet and I have sketched this hills. It's slightly seen from the corner side, and the line I have drawn with the help of ruler and pencil. And here I have drawn a line and some waves, just a rough sketch, do not mind it. And this sun I have drawn with the help of this decorative tape. It's rough. Now I will take my palette. So I have taken blue color, yellow color and white acrylic color. Not actually blue, it's cobalt blue, and it's not yellow, it's yellow orangey. And white Fevicryl color I have taken. So these are the colors which I have taken in my palette. Now you need to paint. So for painting you will be needing brush. So this is my round brush, you can see. So you can use this round brush also and flat brush also. So these two brushes I will be using, and you can use any brush. It's very easily available in the stationery shop. Now take your A4 size sheet back, and with the help of flat brush I am using medium flat brush. So with the help of this brush I will take white color. I will mix white and blue. I will mix, and with the help of water. And always remember to take water in your brush in less quantity if you are adding in the paint. And you need to wash your brush even every time after painting a little things also, because if your brush have another color and you want to do some other color, then it will mix and it will form a new color. So that's why. Now I am taking some water and I am mixing white and blue color. So I have taken some less quantity of water. So this I have formed sky blue color, and now I will apply on my sheet. You can even take canvas also. So this is your drawing. Now take it, apply on the sheet. Okay, so here I have painted. Now I will paint it fully. Every time wash your palette also and your brush also. So here my paint is finished and I want to blend, so I am taking more color in my palette. So taking my palette and pouring some cobalt blue color, a little bit of color, because I want to blend. So I have washed my brush, and this is my brush. Now I will wipe it with the help of tissue paper or a old newspaper. So now it doesn't have any color. So now I will blend some white and blue color onto the canvas. So here again I am mixing this white acrylic color and cobalt blue color, and now I will apply on my canvas. So let's see how it looks, the complete look with blending. So I have given the blendings, as you all can see only. It's literally very nice, beautiful, and looking so beautiful. So now I will again wash my brush, and then again I will. So this I have painted. Now I will paint the yellow upper side. So it is looking very beautiful. So in my palette this is yellow color. Now I will mix a little bit of yellow, lemon yellow, and acrylic paint of white color, and I will do in the upper side. And it's very beautiful, but the paper is twisting, so I will press it afterwards, so you all can see that also. So first I will take this yellow paint and I will mix that all paint. So here I have taken white acrylic color in my brush and I have mixed also in it, and now I will take orange color paint and I will mix it in the yellow a little bit. So here I have taken orange color. Now I will mix it in the yellow a little, and then I will paint my sun, because while sunset orangish color of yellow is there. So this color we made a little more I will add. Now I will do my paint on the sun and nearby it. So let's see. My paint is thick, so I will take a little bit of water and then I will mix it and I will put it on my A4 size sheet. More water I will take, and I have taken the water in my brush, and now I will do. And if you are doing this line, then be very careful while doing it, because you need to be very careful, and you have to do slightly and slowly. So be very careful. So this I have painted. I have left some space because of the waves I will do paint, and here also because of the hills I will paint, that's why. And now I have taken some white acrylic color, and now I will blend here. All the blending I will do, and for the sun also I will do a very good blending with the help of orange color or yellow color. So let's start. So this I have blended the white color also. Now I will paint the hills and the waves and the sun too. So first I will paint the sun. I will wash my brush. So I have washed my brush, and now I will take my rounded brush to paint the sun. So I will take orange color. So now I will mix. I have taken orange color paint, and now I will mix white. And always remember to take less quantity of white in the orange whenever you are painting the sunset scene. So now the sun I have painted a little bit. Now I will mark it with the sketch pen of orange color. So this a little bit I have painted, and it's looking very beautiful also. Now I will paint the rays of the sun. So for the rays of the sun, again I am using that white and orange color paint which I have mixed, and I will paint the rays also, and between the rays I will paint with the red color here. So I will show you that. So this sunset scene I have done, and now I will take red paint and make the rays. So like this you need to make the rays with the help of red paint and a thin brush. So from here also I have blended, and from the another corner also I have blended, and from the sun also I have done. And now I will make small yellow color rays between this red color. So now here I have took yellow color, and now I will mix with this thin brush and I will paint it. So this beautiful sunset scene I have drawn. Now I will draw the waves, paint the waves and the hills. So this beautiful sun and the rays also I have painted with this thin brush. It is very useful brush. You buy this whenever you get time, or if you have, then it is very nice. So now for the hills you will be needing a little bit of brown color or maroon color and add a little bit of white color and yellow color also. So here I am adding this color to this color, and now I will mix, and I will add a little bit of white acrylic color also. So now with the help of your color, paint the hills. Now taking the paint and painting the hills. So now I have painted the hills also, and now I will do the waves painting. So for the waves I will be using this cobalt blue color, Persian blue color and mauve color or violet color also. So these three colors I will use for the waves, and acrylic color or white color also. So here I have added Persian blue color, and this is cobalt blue, so I will add cobalt blue also. A little bit quantity I will take, and now I will add that last is mauve color. So that color I will add mauve or violet color, you can say. A little bit quantity also of this. Okay, and now I will take this white paint of Fevicryl. First I will wash my brush, after that only I will take, because it will get messed up, that's why. And now I will change also my water because it's messed up. So I have changed my water also and washed my brush also, and I will wipe also. Now I will mix all these colors. You can see how beautiful color is forming within this purplish and bluish color. You can't see, but okay, so here it is seen. So beautiful color it's, and galaxy look is coming. So I will mix it and then I will paint. So I have mixed the color and I have taken also in the brush, and now I will paint the waves. So first I will outline the lines with the help of this paint, and then I will blend one by one, and white color is very much usable, so I will use in the upper side of the waves. So it's not matching with the color, so I will add more white acrylic paint and cobalt blue. So here I have added white acrylic color a little bit, and now I will mix this and I will paint. Now I will take this thin brush, and I have taken a little bit of water, and because of the waves are thin, so I will use this thin brush. Now I will add more Persian blue because I want a darker shade of it, and it's not darker, it's lighter, so that's why I will add more paint of Persian blue. Now I have added a little bit of paint. Now I will add a bit of water like so, and I will mix it. Okay, so this color forms which I wanted. So these waves I have painted so roughly. Now I will take my acrylic paint and I will add all the detailings and the blendings. So first I will wash my brush, then I will take white paint. So as you all can see, I am blending this white color. Now one by one I will blend nicely so the paint will go inside of this sheet, and it is blending also. Now I have done this stamping also with the help of white acrylic color on this waves. So this is looking finally like this, it is looking. Now this scenery is looking so beautiful and amazing. But one thing is missing, this outlining. So I will do the outlining with the navy blue sketch pen of these waves. You can even take this light blue, because in the sketch pens, if we do like light blue color we have taken, and we will do the 2 layers of the color, so it will automatically become darker. So you can even take this color also and this color also, and this color is also very nice. It's lighter shade and darker also. So I am using both because it is matching and it will come in my waves nicely. This outlinings I have given. Now I will give the outline with the darker sketch pen. I have used this before. Now I will use this now. This is the complete finally look. Now I will show you from the right side. Okay, so this is the complete look. It's looking very attractive, beautiful and realistic painting. and it's very beautiful. Now I will take white color whitener and I will paint, or you can take white pen also. So I am taking white pen here for the blending, more blending. So it will be the last step of our wave decorating or painting. So it's working also very nicely and it's smoothly working. So this all look I have given beautifully. It's looking so nice, super gorgeous. So that's it for today's videos, guys. It's very beautiful. Please try it. And this is the part 1 of quilling on the topic sunset behind the sea waves. So this is for today's video. Hope you like it. If you like, then subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell to get all the latest updates of my videos. And thank you so much for watching. Please like and share and comment, and make sure to watch the next part also. It will be coming soon and it will be of quilling. So I will do quilling on this paper, and tips and tricks I have given in this video, so make sure to watch it full, and it's very beautiful. Bye bye. I will be meeting in my second part of this video. Bye bye.